How to create a fantasy sports app like FanDuel. Step-by-step guide. Fantasy sports apps are taking over the world. With over 59 million enthusiasts in North America, this billion-dollar industry is booming. But why is it becoming so popular? It's a perfect mix of skill, strategy, and sports knowledge, creating an engaging experience for users. Let's look at FanDuel. This app stands out for its easy to use, sleek interface, but there's more to it than just user friendliness. It covers major professional sports leagues such as the National Football League, National Basketball Association, Major League Baseball, and more. FanDuel's total addressable market for online gambling, including sports betting and casino games, could potentially reach $40.5 billion by 2030. So, do you wonder how you can create an app like FanDuel? Stick around and we'll break it down step by step. First things first, market research. Understanding what your users want is crucial. Dive into market trends, spot opportunities, and figure out what users love. We know it's easier said than done, so don't worry. Here is how you can conduct your market research. Use surveys and focus groups to gather data about their preferences, gaming habits, and what they look for in a fantasy sports app. If you want to take it up a notch, analyze existing fantasy sports apps like FanDuel and DraftKings. Study their strengths, example user interface, features, and weaknesses, example customer support, app stability. This key step will help your app stand out and find its own space in the busy market. Now that you have a base of what you want in your app and how it will stand out, it's time to choose your developer wisely. Look for experts who understand sports app development. A good developer can bring your vision to life by offering technical expertise and strategic insights which you might have missed. So, how can you find the right match? Your developer must be trained in database management using MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, backend infrastructure, Node.js, Python, Ruby on Rails, and front-end development, React Native, Flutter, or Swift. This ensures that your app can handle large data, provide real-time updates, and offer a seamless user experience. After forming your development team, start with a minimum viable product or MVP. This stripped-down version lets you test core features like user registration and authentication, team drafting, and basic scoring updates. You can launch it to a targeted group of users to gather feedback. Then collect insights on usability, performance, and overall user experience. Refine the features based on user feedback by addressing usability issues and enhancing the user experience. You can also add new features to boost functionality and engagement before moving to full-scale development. Once validated, expand your app by adding advanced features such as real-time updates, social integration, and personalized stats. Ensure your app can handle high user volumes and data by implementing load balancing and cloud solutions like AWS or Google Cloud. Prioritize security with data encryption and secure payment processing options like PayPal and Stripe to protect user information. Continuous collaboration with your development team is key to a smooth transition from MVP to full-scale app launch. Remember, launching your app is just the beginning. Post-launch support is critical. To stay ahead, You need to continuously monitor your app's performance and analyze user data. You can use analytics tools such as Google Analytics or Mixpanel to track key metrics like user engagement, retention rates, and feature usage. Regularly review user feedback through surveys, app store reviews, and social media comments to identify areas of improvement. For example, if users consistently report issues with a particular feature, prioritize fixing it in your next update. By staying vigilant and responsive to both data and user feedback, you can make informed decisions that enhance your app and keep it competitive. For example, FanDuel uses targeted advertising and promotions to attract users. Implement similar strategies to build your app's visibility and user base. You need to amplify your marketing efforts to draw users in. Planning social media campaigns, influencer collaborations, and enticing offers can make a big difference. Developing a standout fantasy sports app like FanDuel involves a series of strategic steps, from thorough market research to continuous post launch enhancement. It's a journey that requires dedication and the right partnerships. Ready to get started? Leave your questions in the comments below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights.